Hey everyone, my name is Jen and I wanted to share with you my review of these Tide Pods. This is the Free and Gentle Tide Pod. I really like these. I've been using Tide for many, many years and I just found these. I really like them because it's a 3-in-1 detergent. It has a stain remover, a color protectant, and then the detergent in there as well. They're super easy to use. And they are free from any dyes and perfumes, which I like because we have some allergies in our family. So it's a great choice if your children or your family has sensitive skin. Um, it's really gentle on the skin. Even though it's unscented, it does have a very pleasant smell. So I like to use this for all of my laundry needs. The pods are really easy to use. I just throw them directly into my washer. I usually use one pod for a regular wash, two pods for a large, and three for an extra large. This pod bucket has 76 pods in it and will typically last up to 4 months. I know I will continue to use the Free and Gentle pods. I hope they work for you as well.